Do you want to know how you can log into your Betfair account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Betfair account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar to search for Betfair login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you directly to the login portal of Betfair. Wait for a while, and if this page doesn't open up, go ahead and click on the second link. It will take you to this site. You can see your login portal on the top of Betfair screen. What you need to do right now is write down your email address or username in this box over here. Then write down your password in this box and click Login. This way you can successfully log into your Betfair account. Let me show it to you once again. Search Betfair login on your browser and then click on the second link. Your login portal is on top of your screen. The next step is to write down your email address or username and your password. After you write down your password, make sure you check your password by clicking on this eye icon and then click Login. This way you can successfully log into your Betfair account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.